ships as unidentified flying objects, or UFOs. Peter Quill told me that many of you Terrans still believe that these UFOs are flown by
such as Hydnora and Lithops from the Sovereign planet. One day, we'd love to feature some specimens from each of our year. Xandar experiences periods of total sunlight, shifting to periods of total darkness. During the light cycle, our triple suns can appear close together in the sky, creating spectacular sunsets and sunrises. The light casts moving shadows across the city, something Xandar is famous for. As the capital of the
But these sleek vessels aren't all coolly calculated.
Okay. Wasn't exactly my idea.
Is this the famous route? Every Xandarian knows how you gave your life to save the rest of the Guardians that day of the battle. Tell us in your own words how that felt.
You gotta forgive him. He's got what you call a limited vocabulary. What he's trying to say is he did sacrifice himself to save us all and Xandar. Fortunately, he's plant-based, so he grew him back. And they grow up so fast, especially when you water.
It would appear so. So back to my original question, whose idea was it to save Xandar?
It was Quill's. He had this half-baked plan, and we saved his butt. End of story. Okay, 3/4 baked. But we were all heroes that day.
I'll be back with more of the Guardians. Oh, right. And was that part of Peter Quill's plan?
You mean the plan that didn't go according to plan? We were completely outnumbered. In the end, though, we were able to defeat the Road Creek. But we couldn't have done
exploring the wonders of Xandar. As you have seen, your world and ours were born at the same moment, one which you refer to as the Big Bang. As such, we are all galactic neighbors in a vast universe which we and countless others share. For you to travel to Xandar would take 2.5 million years, assuming you had a ship that could fly at the speed of light. So we decided to come to you. But even we could not have reached you so easily were it not for the Cosmic Generator, an advanced piece of Xandarian technology that creates jump points, artificial tunnels that act as shortcuts, linking distant points in space. It is our desire to share this wondrous technology with your people so that together we might explore new worlds and create a brighter tomorrow. And now, as the culmination of the wonders of Xandar, you will be teleported to a Nova ship above your planet for a demonstration of the Cosmic Generator. I trust you will find it an unforgettable experience.
Welcome, people of Epcot, Epcoters, Epcotians, citizens of Epcot. Does anyone know what they call themselves? What? I'm on? Someone needs to tell me when I'm on. Welcome, Epcot Terrans. I am Centurion Tal Merrick, and we're just about ready to teleport you up to the ship for the demonstration. Here we go. You made it. I mean, of course you did. Nova Prime, they're ready.
Excellent. What you see before you is the Cosmic Generator. And in just a few moments, we'll be activating it so you can experience for yourselves what's happening.
I'm not sure. Our power's out. And the cosmic generator is gone. Turn off that alarm. I've got an important transmission coming in.
Hey, what's up, Novacore?
Our cosmic generator has been stolen.
What?
How?
Why didn't we think of that? That thing's gotta be worth a fortune.
I am Groot.
Good question.
Yeah, who do you think took it?
Perhaps that really big man outside your ship.
Well, that is a big man. I need to alert Nova Prime.
I've been watching Terrans for eons.
That's not creepy at all.
This species has failed.
Wait, whoa. We didn't even know there was a test.
He's got the cosmic generator. He's creating a new jump point.
Jump point to where?
It's some kind of mutant jump point.
He's going back to the dawn of time.
Dawn of time, why?
To erase the error.
Well, that doesn't sound good.
Your time is over.
Wait, what do you mean? What do you mean that's so vague?
The jump point is closing.
Hey, Nova Dude, your Novacore need to follow that whatever it is until we get there.
We can't. Our power is down, and I've got to get these Terrans onto evacuation shuttles.
I got it. I reprogrammed the shuttles to follow them through the jump point.
Wait,
What?
Look, they're our only chance of keeping track of that whack job until we get the cosmic generator back. Piece of cake.
Wait!
There's cake. Where's this cake?
the odds are impossible,
Yep.
but it's our only shot. Good luck.
Are you sure you can control it?
Come on, it's me. We got this.
We're all toast.
First there was cake, now there is toast. This plan is making me so hungry.
Okay, I've walked onto your vehicle.
We'll be right behind you.
Nothing to worry about.
Unless we cannot stop this unusually large man, then you're likely doomed. It was useless to follow me. What is that noise?
Boys, no one's gonna stop rock and roll from existing.
What have we done?
I think we're jumping back.
All the way. That's a the Big Bang!
We did that all the time.
It's about time. Of course it is about time. Have you not been paying attention? We haven't played, but not for long.
You're all heroes.
Do you really think they deserve to be called heroes? Do you see no choice?
It's just a figure of speech, Drax.
You are lying to them. Now I understand. Welcome to the Guardians of the Galaxy.